Hey, what's up nerds? It's Joe here, and today I'm here to talk to you about the RayNeo Air 2 XR glasses and Joydock. Big shout out to RayNeo for sending me this crazy fun piece of sophisticated new tech to try out. I've been an early adopter of VR and AR technology since the very beginning, and I've loved how the space has evolved. The Air 2, however, is a truly unique opportunity to augment your reality in a way that's both functional and practical, which is more than you can say for most bulky headsets. I tested this thing in a wide range of applications, from gaming to movie watching to productivity, and I'm excited to show you what it's all about right now, starting with what's inside the box. As you can see, the Air 2 comes in a sleek box with everything you need at your fingertips, which isn't much, and that's a good thing. For something designed for portability, I want it to be light and not have too many accessories, and the Air 2 fits the bill at only 76 grams. That also means it's breezy to wear on your face for long periods of time. You got a soft carrying case, a USB-C cable, which means you can connect it to any USB-C device that supports HDMI out, and all that stuff. There are 9 adjustable temple positions, as well as adjustable nose bridge positions, so this really does fit anybody. And one of the other cool things they've developed is this magnetic lens attachment. So if you have myopia, if you need glasses to see far distances, you can get prescription lenses that drop right in here, which I've actually never seen for pretty much anything else. The frame of the glasses actually has a ton of flex, meaning that no matter how big your noggin is, they're gonna fit comfortably, helped by these pillow soft nose pieces. On the sides, you've actually got some pretty impressive dynamic stereo sound speakers built in with buttons below them, with a unique feature called whisper mode that allows you to make sure that nobody around you can hear what you're hearing using some pretty fun phase cancellation technology. Useful if you're, I don't know, an international spy and don't want anyone on the airplane to hear your mission brief. The effect of all this is essentially the same as a 201-inch screen seen at about 18 feet away, powered by a next-gen low-power micro OLED display with a max brightness of 600 nits, which means you can see it even in some really intense ambient light conditions. That's pretty impressive since it's not totally enclosed like a VR headset. You can see your entire environment when you're wearing the Air 2, which keeps you feeling present and connected while still being able to enjoy its features. But wait, your mom is screaming at you, "You'll go blind with the TV that close to your eyes." No worries there. These are TUV Rheinland eye protection certified with blue light filter and flicker protection. Chill out, mom. Almost all of this stuff is customizable within the app, which presents a pretty cool seamless link between your phone and your glasses. It even allows you to modify the way you view the content on your phone. You can choose to either mirror the device completely or use the built-in navigation for an experience that's more directly tailored to the device itself, including modifying the display's brightness, color composition, and more. That doesn't even include some of the fun built-in XR environments that I don't have time to go into here because I want to get into the fun stuff, gaming. Gaming on these glasses is a ton of fun and a totally new experience that expands both how and where you can experience your favorite content, whether that be mobile games or handheld consoles like the Nintendo Switch. Because the glasses just sort of function as a portable monitor, you really can connect just about anything to it. Oh, and by the way, one thing I didn't mention before, this sucker outputs at 120 Hz refresh rate, which is fantastic for gamers like me who want high fidelity motion without blur and pixelation. 60 Hz is such a thing of the past now. Rocket League, here I come. Ah, you say, but what about devices like the Steam Deck and the Nintendo Switch that don't support direct HDMI output without power? I present to you the Joydock, something that just came out this month from RayNeo. This functions as both a power bank and a go-between for your Deck, Switch, and Air 2, making the connection as seamless as it is easy to set up. You literally just plug and play, and I love that. One of my biggest pain points for handheld gaming is the ergonomics. There's just no good way to hold these damn things while still being able to effectively control them. It is ridiculously easy to play games on this thing. You really just plug and play. I was able to connect my Nintendo Switch straight to the dock, straight to the glasses, and it fired right up. I don't need to change any settings anywhere. It is easy as heck. And the display is really high fidelity, top notch. You can really kind of only see a little bit when I'm pointing the camera at the inside of the lenses and covering the sensor so it triggers. But let me tell you, it really does look like you're watching a high fidelity television just a few feet away. Now, I can play my games and protect my neck, which means I can play in more situations, like even laying down in bed effortlessly. Even with the Switch at 0% battery, the Joydock gives you 5 straight hours for both the Nintendo and the glasses from its 10,000 mAh battery, eliminating your battery anxiety. Obviously, one of the easiest use cases for this tech is movies, which turns a pair of glasses into a portable cinema that's way easier on your eyes and your head than a VR headset. Combined with a pair of high-quality Bluetooth headphones, you can watch a movie just about anywhere with high-quality 1080p resolution right on your eyeballs. Okay. Gaming and movies aside, if you guys know anything about me, it's that I do a lot of things. I like being productive, and I love things that enhance my productivity. My workstation in my studio has 2 gigantic monitors, which is great when I'm home, but when I'm traveling, I kind of feel like a snail because I only have 1 monitor on my laptop and it's very small. One of the things I'm most excited about is the idea that I can create and manipulate multiple monitors with my Air 2 glasses while I'm on the road. And as a voice actor, now I don't have to break my neck reading my scripts while my mouth is tilting toward my microphone if I'm in a suboptimal recording environment. I can't tell you how excited I am to use this thing while I'm on the road. It's gonna make being a traveling voice actor way easier. I know that's kind of particular to me, but I wanted to tell you guys about it because I'm excited. All in all, this is such a cool product with a whole host of practical uses, enhanced by the fact that it's lightweight, absurdly portable, and the additional Joydock takes so much of the pain out of handheld gaming, especially when you're traveling. I cannot wait to be the weird guy on the airplane the next time I travel wearing sunglasses. If the Air 2 sounds like something you'd be interested in, check out the links in the description below. They're insanely affordable, something that a lot of other AR or VR devices can't really say. I really enjoyed my experience with them, and I think you will too. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me for a little bit as we tried out the RayNeo Air 2 glasses with the Joydock. Stay cool, gamers.